In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams error 67RX. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Microsoft Teams is a powerful collaboration tool, but encountering errors can sometimes disrupt your workflow. One common issue you may face is error 657RX, often triggered by corrupted files or authentication problems. Let's walk through several effective methods to resolve this. First, we'll start by clearing cached credentials. Outdated or corrupt sign-in data could be causing the error. To do this, open the Credential Manager from your Start menu. Once there, select Windows Credentials. Look for any entries related to Microsoft Office, Outlook, or Teams and remove them. After you've cleaned that up, restart Microsoft Teams and try signing in again. Next, we need to tackle app cache files. Occasionally, corrupt files in the app's cache can hinder your access to Teams, so completely close the Microsoft Teams application. Now, press the Windows key along with R to bring up the Run dialog. In the box that appears, type in Sent App Data Sent, Microsoft Teams, and press Enter. You should now be taken to a directory. Delete all files and folders you find there. After you've done that, reopen Teams and sign in once more. The third method involves reconnecting your account. Sometimes, stale connection data for work or school accounts can cause errors too. First, sign out of and completely close all Microsoft Office applications. Next, open File Explorer and navigate to Sent Local App Data Packages. Here, look for the folder named Microsoft.aad.brokerplugin CW5N1H2XUE and delete it. Following that, open Windows Settings, head over to Accounts, and select Access Work or School. Disconnect any existing entries you may find, then click on Connect to re-add your account. Finally, open Teams again to see if the issue is gone. Now let's move on to updating Windows. Sometimes system incompatibilities can lead to authentication problems. Begin by pressing Windows and I at the same time to open Settings. Navigate to the Windows Update section and click on Check for Updates. If any updates are available, install them, restart your computer, and try using Teams again to see if the error has been resolved. Last but not least, we will focus on repairing Microsoft Office. Corrupt installations can interfere with how Teams operates. To do this, open your Control Panel and select Programs and Features. Find Microsoft Office or Office 365 in the list, right-click on it, and choose Change. Start with the Quick Repair option. If that does not fix the issue, consider running the online repair. Once the repair process is complete, restart your PC and sign back into Teams. By following these steps, you should be able to effectively resolve Microsoft Teams error 657RX. It's important to stay patient and methodical, as these issues can sometimes take a bit of trial and error. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and